Getting 1,000 subscribers is now super easy, and in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually achieve that using TubePilot. I don't know if you guys have heard of TubePilot. Have you? So in case you have not heard of TubePilot, TubePilot is the new magic. Why should I say new magic? Because it has actually been in existence, but a lot of people were not seeing it or are not seeing it. That's why I'm actually here to actually bring it to your notice, to remove that blindfold and show you the way that there is something called TubePilot. If you have heard of TubePilot, please put it down in the comment section before I even go into the video. Okay, so now let's now go into the video. Okay, before I even show you TubePilot, how to use it and how to get your 1,000 subscribers from TubePilot, let me briefly explain these do's and don'ts. Number one, once I show you the method, please do not spam this method. Do not spam it, because some people, they can be too excessive. There is the right way of doing it. I'm going to be showing you the right way of doing it. Don't say, oh, maybe you are too desperate. You want to get your 1,000 subscribers. You cannot even wait. Then you now start spamming. YouTube does not like spam, which is like going to people's comment section, going to different people's comment section and, pasting this here and there. No. YouTube does not like spamming at all. So just know that you are not allowed to spam if you want to get maximum results. Because if you spam it, instead of you even getting the subscribers, it will look like as they are subscribing, they are going back, because YouTube will be removing them, because YouTube will count that as spam. Don't worry, you guys will fully understand what I'm talking about. Let's just go into the video of today. Let me start my screen record so you guys can feel, because now it seems you guys are like, what's TubePilot? What's she talking about? Okay, let me just on my screen record. I'm almost done. Just a second, guys. Just a second. Okay, so yeah, my screen record is all started. So this is TubePilot. If you want to know how to get to TubePilot, just head over to Google and search TubePilot. So it's going to give you this particular interface. So once you're in this interface, you can see YouTube subscribe link generator. So the next thing for you to do, and by the way, guys, it's totally free. You can see it's 100% free. So the next thing for you to do right here, go to your channel, copy your channel URL. So let me now go to YouTube. So let me search for my channel. Let's use N with Neka, because that's the channel a lot of you actually know. If I use another channel, someone will say, why are you not using your main channel? Because I've done something like that before. I used one of my channel. The person was like, don't you see she's not using her main channel? So that's what I have to use. You can see I've copied my link. So once that is done, I'll come back right here to paste the link. So once the link is pasted, I'm going to click on this generate subscribe link. Just wait. As you can see, within how many seconds, like 1 second, like it is already out. So now let me teach you how to properly use this link, because I see there are several videos, several people talking about how to use a particular link to get, but people are not doing it the right way, which now brings me to the first thing I said. So people will go to other people's comment section and go and be pasting it there, thinking that, once people click on it, see, should I even tell you something that you might not know? I'll just use the word might, because it's possible that you don't really know about it. When you're using link, when you are pasting link on comment section, sometimes YouTube does not allow it. It is not allowed to just, paste an external link on YouTube, especially in the comment section. It's not, YouTube does not even allow all kinds of link. That's why I see some people, whenever they even want to post links, sometimes they used to go and shorten it. They will not just post that link like that. So YouTube does not really allow it. So if you have been doing this, copying this link, going to go paste people's comment section, because you see like, engagement is going there. Even on my own comment section, I see people comment links there. See, you are actually harming your channel. Just going to people's comments. YouTube will see it as self-promotion, and YouTube does not like self-promotion. Anything self-promotion, YouTube does not like it. YouTube like it if you want to actually promote, either you use YouTube promotion or you use Google Ads promotion itself. Although even if you are using YouTube will still use Google Ads, but you can use Google Ads directly yourself. So how you can actually use this is by copying this particular link. Whenever you post a video in your description, you can put this in your description, or aside putting it in your description, you can also put it in your channel description. When somebody reach out to your channel, you can put it in your channel description, and you can also put it as links. That particular part where you can add links. Some people now, when you check their channel, you can see their Instagram link, Facebook link. You can put it, then you title it subscribe for more. then you now paste that link there. And by the way, guys, before I continue, if you are not really up to all of this, there's a way I can actually help you get real subscribers, and not just real subscribers, they're actually interested in your niche. Because I have although it has a downside. The downside is that they are not accepting every niche, because I'm the kind of person that preach don't just do sub for sub, or don't just get subscribers because you need subscribers. Get subscribers because they are interested in your niche, because in the long term or in the long run, if you get subscribers that are not interested in your niche, they'll be doing more harm than good. So just get subscribers that are interested in your niche. So they actually only work for 20 niches. There are several groups, one for African folk tales, one for Bible stories, one for motivational, cooking niche. They are different groups. Yes. So depending on your niche, that's why if you're interested and you're reaching out to me, please do let me know your niche first. Because in case if your niche is not among, so that you understand, I can just say that, oh, we don't have your niche available. But you can reach out if you are interested. You want to get your 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours. Yeah. So in essence, all I'm trying to say is if you're interested to get your 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, and not just subscribers, because if they are just subscribing, YouTube might be like, what's going on here? What is going on? It can cause some unnecessary, talks. So it's going to be, they're actually going to watch, and there are real people like me and you that are in that group, because I'm also in that group, so I can actually tell. So they'll watch. Not only will they watch, they will comment according to your video. That's how you know they are real people. Because, all those bots, they can't really comment according to the video. They can just give generic comments, Maybe like they can say, oh, wonderful video, good video, wonderful video, good video. Those ones, they are generic. But this particular one, they give comments based on your video. Like, let's say you are in the cooking niche. So if you actually make a video about, I am cooking rice today, cook with me, that can maybe a video showing how to cook rice. Yeah. They will make comments based on the rice. They can say, wow, this rice look delicious. Like, they'll make comments, not just generic. You actually understand what I'm trying to say? So they make comments, and also they like. So when they like, and you also get views, it's like getting engagement all in one package, not just the subscribers. So it's like them really engaging with your channel, and yeah, so if you are interested, by the way, I think I've posted it in my comments post, before my community post. It is not free. I know you guys will be saying, somebody called me yesterday. The person was like, Nika, are you an Igbo girl? For God's sake? Obviously, I'm an Igbo girl. The person like, you like money too much. You like money too much. Who does not like money? You do not. If you don't like money, let me know in the comment section. Put it down in the comment section and say, me, I don't like money. So I will know that, am I weird? For me, I feel like everybody likes money. It's a normal thing, right? So even you doing this YouTube, most of the time, the reason is because of money. You want to make money, right? So if you don't like money, let me know in the comment section. Let me know that I'm not telling you. Because the man was making it seem like if we get, I really hope you watch this particular video and comment on that. Yeah, so by the way, sorry for all those, beating around the bush. The summary, if you're interested, I'm going to be putting my email on this particular video. You can reach out to me. Yeah, it is not free. It is paid, and it's going to be done in 24 hours. You will get your complete 1,000 subscribers and your complete, engagement, views, and everything. Those that I've actually done for, I've actually been seeing results, yes, because I started actually yesterday, and results have been rolling in. Maybe when I ask for their permission, because I have to ask for people's permission. I cannot just post their channel. If I ask for their permission and they allow that I post their channel, because I took a before and after, you get. So once I take permission and they allow that I can go ahead, I'm going to be showing you guys, before and after, so you guys can really see how it is and how it's done. Alright, without not too much talk on this particular video, if you find this video helpful, so like I said, just try and do it. So whoever clicks on that particular link that I said, that's the link we just generated, whoever clicks on it gets the chance to actually subscribe to your channel. Because sometimes you need to push people to be able to subscribe to your channel. You don't just say, you don't just assume. Some people even make video without even saying, please subscribe to my channel. You don't just assume or just leave them. Sometimes you need to put in more work, which is adding this extra link. Put it in your description. You can even pin it in your comment section only. You can put it in your comment section and pin it there. So whoever comes there, see the link, they can click on it. But don't be going to other people's comment section to go and be pasting it there. But you can pin it in your own video comment section. But going to other people, that's self-promotion, and YouTube does not like self-promotion at all. You guys can actually read on it, self-promotion, like going there to just go and, YouTube does not align with it. So you might be going against YouTube community guidelines by posting your link on different people's comment section. All right, so you find this particular video helpful. Why am I saying all right like video? If you guys have been watching the video and say, all right, okay, so let's say, like, he usually starts his video with all right. So, all right, if you find this particular video helpful, please do want to hit on the like button. Please do want to subscribe and do want to share. See you again in our next video. Bye, guys.